Hi there, this is how to set a programmable digital timer. This one is by Fospower. First thing you need to do to set up this programmable timer is reset it like I did by pressing that little button there. Also what you do is plug it in and fully charge it into the wall before you start programming it, what I've done here. So first, you hold down the set button like I've done there, and you'll see it start blinking for the different days of the week. So you can scroll through up or down to go through the different days of the week. So I set it to Monday, and then I press up, and go to whatever the current time is and click set for the hour, and then you press up and down to set for the minute. You can click set. So what you want to do here is you want to change from 24 hours to 12 hours. You press the CD and set button at the same time, and you go from 24-hour mode to 12-hour mode, and then you see the PM on the top left there. Now this is how I set the first programmable timer. I press up, and now this is the on setting. So you can see here I can go by different days here. So if I go up, I can scroll through and set a timer for Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday, or all days of the week like that, or a couple days of the week, or just the weekends like this, or just the weekdays, or every other day. So there's so many different options here for what you can have them turning on and turning off. So there's all the different patterns. So you find the day that you want to set the timer for. So I'm going through all the settings here, and then you press set, and then you go through what time you want the timer to turn on. So as on the left there it says 1 on, and then I set the hours, and then I press up. Now I'm going for 1 off. So this is when the timer will turn off for this time period. So I go through and set what days I want it to turn off on, and then once I pick the right days, I click set. I go up and down to set the hour amount. So I'm gonna go up to PM. Set the hours, click set, and then go up and down to set the minutes as well here. So up and down and set, and now I've set the timer. So now this is the second timer, there's a third timer, a fourth time, fifth timer, sixth timer, seventh timer, eighth timer, ninth, 10 different timers you can individually set on this Fospower digital timer. So that's how easy it is to set up. So that's this timer I set up to turn on at 7 a.m. and turn off at 7 p.m. every day of the week, and that's the current time. And then you click on manual there to make sure it's set to auto, and that's where it will automatically turn off and on based on what you've set. On the left and right side are where the plugs are. So once you've set the timers, you plug in your device you want turning on and off, and then you're good to go. If you'd like to get this amazing timer for yourself at a fantastic price, I've left an Amazon link below this video for you to get it for yourself. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more how-to videos.